Hello, hey everyone, Grant here, and today we are back playing Tycoon. Haven't played it in long time. I'm sorry. Just, haven't played it, so I'm gonna play it now. And now I'm filthy rich. $2 trillion into. I don't know how to blah blah blah. Okay, so as you can see, I have these three things down here. This auto tap, supercharged, business supercharged, and quick cash, where they just give me money. Okay, so now in my last video, I only got like a couple dollars per tap, but now 93 million. 0.03.
He's on wild again. So, still friends? Of course.
Wonder if I can
Cool. Because I twist the money.
prestige. Wonder what that means. If you know, please tell me, because I do not. Okay, in this video, I shall do the special Make It Rain. That's right, you heard me. Make it rain. Okay, so drop 24 hours worth of money. $110,031,031. Booyah! Then there's all these other ones, but okay, we're just watching Gumball. Right, you turn it down. Oh, there's a rocket guy. There he is. Okay, so should I do it? Oh, I'm going to. Are you sure you would like to purchase Make It Rain? Do you want me to? I'm going to. I'm making it rain, bros!
Let me see. Can I see? Grant, can I see?
Isn't there more?
Show them honey.
That's it? I didn't notice that! $112 trillion! I thought it was gonna be, like, longer. There's just, like, little bags of money. That's funny. I'm gonna prestige. Whatever that means. Gain bonus. What the heck? Gain bonus with reset or gain bonus without reset? Well, I have to do this, so. What? Internet? Come on! I've been waiting to do that for like ever, and now I can't. Well, now I can buy all this good stuff. Wow, that's too expensive. There's no tax day, if you didn't see that. Oh, that's not a lot. I'm gonna do this. Oh, I can do this. The max? No, just buy times 10. Billion. What? I thought.
Hey, honey. Honey. Whoa.
Okay, so I'm gonna buy that. Buy that. I'm doing all the ones that have billions. It doesn't go down too much. Oh, and as you can see, before I didn't have the hotel, the theme park, the armory, the bank, or the, what is it called? Department store, or armory. I don't think, did I have the post office? I think I did. Oh no, maybe I did, maybe I didn't. There we go. Everything's upgraded, so it costs $1 trillion. There he is over there. Okay, so the special in the video, I thought I could prestige, but I didn't. So at least I made it rain. So that's probably gonna be like the title. Tycoon, I made it rain. A little. Okay. Let's just ignore Gumball and keep playing this. Usually there's a fat cat. See that dot right there where I put the face cam right there? That little weird guy with the face mask? Well, that's Fat Cat. He'll usually pop up in this corner where I just put money at. Then I go, oh. Then he'll say, want to watch my homemade video for cash? And you tap him. They'll do double your profit. Double it for how long? 4 hours. Okay, as you can see, there's also a war right here. Here's my net worth. So if I didn't pay all that money at all, ever, I'd have $187 trillion. Okay, should I? No, I'm done. Okay, that is enough for this video. Hope you like it. Bye.